So if you want to learn how to place a bid on StockX in 2026, yeah, this is the full beginner-friendly guide so you can get sneakers or streetwear at your own price. First, open StockX on your browser or app and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, just create a free account. Next, use the search bar to find the product you want, like sneakers, streetwear, or collectibles. Now click on the item to open its product page. Here you'll see pricing history, sizes, and market trends. On StockX, a bid is your offer to buy at a specific price. Sellers can accept it when they're ready. Now choose your size carefully. Once your bid is accepted, you can't easily change it. Next, enter the price you want to pay. Lower bids may take longer to get accepted, so choose wisely. Now, review your details and confirm your bid. StockX will notify you if a seller accepts it. If you change your mind, you can go to your account and cancel or update your bid anytime before it's accepted. Finally, check price history. Avoid extremely low bids and be patient. Good deals usually take a little time, and that's it. That's how you place a bid on StockX step by step in 2026. In 20